Hi guys, if you like to know how I achieve this look, then please keep watching. So this is a makeup I done for my party. So this is a party look. If you like to know how I achieve this, then keep watching. Please like, subscribe and comment down below. Thank you. Let's get right into it.
Everything you're fighting for.
Hi, it's your girl Priceless Beauty, and today I'm going to do a party makeup tutorial. As you can see, my eyebrow is already tinted, so I'm just going to go ahead and use my concealer and my brow gel to define it a bit. I've got my brow gel here and my concealer here.
Everything you're fighting for.
So I've finished defining my eyebrows, so I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face with my primer. And this is the primer that I use. It's almost finished.
Together now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains, we have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the
After that, I'm just gonna spray my face with my Pro Base primer. It's also a liquid primer, so I'm gonna spray my face to get my face some moisture. So I'm going to use this concealer to seal any imperfection or any pigmentation that I have. And I'm just blending it with my foundation blush. So give a good foundation to build your makeup on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my foundation, which is Estee Lauder.
open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back.
I put some lighter shade of foundation on my blush to mix it with the one I've already put on my face, just to get the correct shade. So I just use my foundation brush to blend it. And this foundation brush is so good, makes it so easier to blend. It's big and it's really easy to blend. I love it. Just took me a few minutes to finish blending it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my concealer to highlight like the part that I want to highlight.
Run away, and I know right now we can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers. Imagine life without a purpose. Now picture everything you're fighting for. Now picture everything you're fighting for.
I'm just going to use my powder to bake my face to set the foundation.
Run away, and time will find a place that we call home. They can try anything, we'll make it better together now. Don't be afraid of letting go. I know there's more, we can be free.
Just using my foundation blush to give it some tap. And I found that because the foundation brush is already wet, it really helps to set the powder without it caking. It really helps to set it than using a dry brush. Yeah, like using a dry brush like this one doesn't set it really well. So I first use my foundation blush to get it set very well, and then I go in with my normal powder. I'm just gonna use a darker shade powder, or you can use eyeshadow, which I think I'm using. Any darker eyeshadow you can use to define your nose. And just give your nose like makes it look slimmer. Also gonna use it to define my cheeks, and of course the side needs to be a bit darker. Just using the blush to define my face a bit.
We can change anything and make it better together. Now we're strong, don't question it. The truth will break your chains. We have the key. Open your eyes and see. We are the ones who know the answers, and they ain't never gonna hold us back. The sea is rising like we dancers.
Don't worry if you are not quick at doing your makeup, because when you first become makeup artist, it takes you some time to finish your makeup, but once you get used to it, it goes really quick. So this, I'm using a blusher to blush my cheeks. That's my boy popping in and out. just using a highlighter to highlight my cheeks. Just a close up. So you highlight wherever you put the concealer, the lighter concealer. That's exactly where you highlight. Gonna spray my face with my setting spray. It's almost finished. Somebody pour it away. Don't know what happened to it. Using the foundation blush on it to get it all set in. Of course, when you are going to a party, you want your makeup to last. So I'm just using the concealer for my eyelid, for the base of my. So I'm just using the blush to set the foundation before I go ahead and do my eyeshadow. So just me going in with a darker shade. Gonna go in with a darker shade at my outer eyelid to give you some smoky feel. Just blending it all together. And I'm gonna, so here I'm using gel, what is it, glue. I couldn't find my glue for my my grater, so I use got to be glue. Yeah, it's also a glue, got to be glue spray, and it did work perfect. Love the color, kind of goldish. I'm just gonna go in with my mascara. I'm not gonna wear eyelashes. I was gonna wear eyelashes, but I'm late, so I'm just gonna do my eyeliner. I'm not a big fan of eyelashes. I wear it once in a while, but I just prefer to wear my mascara. So I'm using a mascara top coat. So this is the finished look, and I'm just spraying my face once more. Just me saying it's the finished look. And this is the dress I'm wearing. It's an African party, so I'm wearing Africa wear.
This is the finished result. This is a full, I'm just ready to go to a party, and this is the style of my dress. Just off shoulder. If you want to know where I get any of the things in the video, please let me know.
Thank you.
Full look of the makeup. My camera is a bit blurry using my phone, but I think it's great. Looks really nice. Hope you like it. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. So this is a close-up. I think it looks great. So thank you. Bye.